everybody, I'm here with my lovely daughter today, and we are going to do a Valentine's wreath from the Dollar Tree. I have a 5-inch yard
of decorative mesh,
and I have two lights that I'm not for sure which one I'm going to use today, as well as the batteries. And I have the flowers
and pliers to snip,
and a hot glue gun and a silhouette side of a face I'm going to apply, and I used this to spread with my color brown. And well, it's gonna only take a minute to do this fast project, so let's get started. We use the clippers here just to snip it. And Shataria, would you like to do the honors?
Alright, so we're going to wrap the decorative mesh here around the wreath.
Real tight, hold it tight, so that way it won't come apart. And you can also spray paint it, and if you don't want to use any kind of colors, and you don't have to use the mesh. Go around one more time.
Uh-oh.
This is a very fun and fast project to do. Tighten it. Alright, and then we're gonna use the scissors here.
I'll just finish it off.
That's a lot. And then we're gonna stick a flower in that will hold it. It's kind of hard to push in, so get a good grip. Let's put it on the floor. There we go. And we're just gonna continue to
add our flowers.
We thought we was videoing and the video camera went out. Sorry about that, y'all. Okay, we're going to continue to place them on down. Open them up a little bit. This is a very easy and fun project to do. Now, which one do you think we should use? Maybe this one?
Yeah, that's that one.
you're gonna need a little screwdriver. So let me go get that. Yeah, I think that was one right there. Those are, it's cute. See if I could get this thing to lay back down. Aiming it right in there. Don't know why my cameras keep cutting off. It seems like everybody want to call me today. I'm using my my phone to record tonight, and keep getting interrupted. I'm so sorry. But we're gonna hot glue
some of the smaller pieces down into the flowers. Do you want to try and put the lights on?
Sure. Maybe we could just wrap it around. Catch a little end. Just gonna wrap it around first, and then we go tighten it up. Just to hide a little bit of it. Not a very long cord, I can tell you that much. Not long at all. Surprising. You wrap this one this way. Maybe it's could be like at the top, like instead of actually wrapping it all the way around, just to get some kind of lighting on the top. Let's turn it on and see.
Oh, that's pretty.
Try to get a little lighting going on.
Well, her face is going to be on one side, so
Right.
that looks okay.
See, which way should I make this lady face? So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to just glue this end right to this end. I hope you can see it. This part here, that's how I glue her right there. And then that's how she will look. And it's done. Should I just go here? Put it here, be more faster. There we go. I need some more glue. We waited so long, the glue went out. So we're gonna get some more glue. Push that in for me. This here. The glue stick. Yeah. There we go. Alright. Put her right in there and hold her for a little while. Ouch. Just hold her for a little while and you are done. You could put makeup on her as you wish, but I would just like to leave her natural and brown. So you just get it to stick real good there. I'm going to leave her face natural, but you could paint her lips. You could put earrings on her. You could decorate her neck part if you wish. But right now I'm going to use this here. I'm going to use my hot glue gun, and I'm just going to place it in there. About right here, you think? I need some more of this glue stick. Thank you. And be very careful because it's hot. And just place it down and just hold it for a little while. And voila, there she go.